What's going on, guys? All right, so check it out. The Supra is finished. Yes, I know it needs to be lowered. It's going to be lowered. The coilovers just weren't here on time for it. There's a ton more work going into this thing. We just did cosmetically the outside. As you saw from the beginning, this thing was like multicolored. So it had black and primer and white, all kinds of stuff. It was all sanded down. A lot of work was done. This is basically 3 people doing this over 3 days. So I came here on, when I come here, Tuesday? Basically started this Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Thursday. So there's a heck of a lot of embossing on this car. You can't probably see it very well from there, but we're gonna go over it. The wheels are brand new, and yes, the tire is flat. So maybe the valve stem's leaking. We don't know yet. He's gonna probably take them in. The owner just dropped them off and we slapped them on real quick. And yes, the tire is flat in the front and it's getting worse. So let's check out the car. This is my new color. This is the matte metallic bloody burgundy. Now keep in mind that we're under fluorescent lighting, all right? So this is gonna look a little bit different on the outside. I will get some video of this outside in a natural light, because obviously it's going, like, your car is gonna be outside in natural lighting most of the time. You might be inside your garage or whatever 5% of the time, but mostly outside. All right, so let's have a walk around the car and check it out. Most of it has been embossed, so as far as like going around all the little edges goes, you can see here it still hasn't been done yet, so we still have to go over this. I don't think I'm doing that. I've done most of it so far. Check out the rear bumper. I did do the video on this. This car is like friggin' amazing. I love it. There's this, you know, these classic taillights that everyone loves. The exhaust is a little bit off, but no big deal. I did show a video of the inlay in the rear license plate area down there, but in case you didn't watch the video, that's where an inlay is, and there's also one underneath. Watch the video if you want to see it. I didn't do a video on the spoiler. It's actually very simple. It's very straightforward. We do a piece on the inside first with the spoiler off, and then we do the piece, and we use knifeless tape, obviously. It makes a nice straight line. You can't even see a seam there at all. So super clean. You can see it a little bit more maybe on this side, but I kind of tucked it in on more of the inside right here, so it's more hidden, so you can't really see it that well either. And that's the whole idea of it. You can see there's tons of embossing that needs to be done here, like it's all air in there still, but it'll all be done. And then this quarter panel hasn't been done yet either. The highlight is the owner did do a pretty awesome job on the gas cap. Oh, here's my door handle. So these door handles are super fun to do. We have to tuck in a little bit around here because the rubber seal pushes the film back a bit. But these are super fun to do simply because they don't come apart. So the fact that they don't come apart makes it so hard to do. These are actually 3 pieces. 1, 2, and then 3 is the handle itself. So you can't even really see the seam. And it looks super clean. They're hard to do. They're not fun. Obviously there's no interior in here. It's got a long way to go. Let's check out the highlighted gas cap cover. So nice and clean, right? We took it off, removed it, just a couple of screws. So super clean as far as that goes. And yeah, inlay in here, of course, but you can't even see it. You tell me where that seam is. All right, so we do have, like, this has to be pushed in still, so it's not all quite sitting flush yet. Just slapped this together real quick just to get some nice video of it, and you know, more of a complete project. Other than that, there is no other inlay on the side here. There's one in the scoop. You can't even see the inlay. The mirrors were done by Jeremy, 1 piece, and they're pretty nice, gotta say. So that is not a seam, that is just the natural plastic itself with the line in it. Let's check out some corners and stuff, you know. Let's check them out. Let's check it out down here, around the headlight and stuff. Cool. Check out the front end. I did do a video on the front bumper, so we do have an inlay in here. Sorry, in where the fog light is. And then we do have an inlay in the center here, and then obviously one on the other side. Let's check out some more corners. Right. So the wrap looks great. The window trim's a little bit choppy. It is an old car. This is a 94? 94, yeah. So it is an old car. This mirror is also done in one piece, by the way. So there's, where he did the seam was right there. That's where the two pieces meet. So that's where the one piece meets itself right here. And it's really nice because it's very hidden. It's on the inside. It's not staring the owner of the vehicle in the face like somewhere around here. So it looks really clean. Looks good. Same idea. Inlay down here, guys. And then we also have a little embossing with our logos right here. It's really difficult to see. You can actually see it really well on the camera. So right here, we got me right there and Jeremy right there for wrap it up. Yeah, just super awesome. So guys, let me know what you think about the color. I'm a huge fan of it. I think it looks really good. I'm excited to see it outside in the sunlight and just give it more of a natural effect. Like I said, the lighting will lighten it up a little bit, so it's going to be a bit darker outside for sure, even with the sun, because these are white lights and it's hitting a white metallic in the Burgundy itself. Anyways, guys, if you like the car and you like the videos, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, I got tons more coming up. March is a crazy busy month. So is April. Stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Take care.